Let's do some makeup. Guys, I saw the cutest hair clips at the mall yesterday and I got them. I want to do a makeup look inspired by this. Also, my mom wants to show you guys her new flowers, so please take a look. Let's start with foundation. I'm going to pimples, hopefully I can cover them. I'm going to use very light eyeshadow colors today, so I like using a light foundation so that the colors can show up better on my skin. It's red and bumps out. I will set the base first with a loose powder. I like to go over my eyebrows lightly. If my skin is oily around the eyebrows, then the color will show up too strong, so I like to set them before drawing over it. For brows, I bought a new brow pencil from Flortte yesterday. The packaging is so cute. I only used it once yesterday and it was pretty good. I chose a cool tone brown color. I want to match the eyeshadow to the hair clips, so we'll use these two light shades. Taking out clean brushes. Let me think how I'm gonna do it. Green on the inner corner, apricot on the outside. Lower lash line as well, and the apricot for the outer corner. It doesn't show up very strong, so we're going to build it up. When you want to layer eyeshadow, take smaller amounts and do more blending. Also hints of pink. We're going to use white eyeliner. This is a water-activated liner. We'll pick it up with a brush. We'll draw little shapes inspired by the petals. What do I think? I want to add a little bit of shimmery eyeshadow. Can't miss the inner corner shimmer. I finished my mascara, so I bought a new one, just restocking on the same old favorite. This look deserves lashes. Let's do a bit of contour. I love flower nose because they have beautiful packaging and great quality. For a blush, I want to use something that matches the eyes. This is a very pretty shade. I washed my brushes. Always wash your brushes once a week. There's a lot of makeup residue on the brushes, and we don't want them to build up. Beauty marks are a must. Can we turn this pimple into a mole? This highlighter is really pretty. And the lip gloss. Let's put on the beautiful clips. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the look and my mom's flowers. I hope you have a good day.